In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default Google Drive. This process is straightforward and will ensure that you are using the correct account for your needs. Let's get started. First, launch Google Drive on your device. You can do this by finding the Google Drive app on your computer or mobile device. Once opened, you will see a familiar interface filled with your files and folders. This is important because accessing the right platform is the first step in managing your accounts effectively. Make sure you are connected to the internet, as you need a stable connection to proceed smoothly. You will notice the layout is user-friendly, designed to help you navigate easily. Next, click the profile photo icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showing the account currently in use. This step is crucial as it allows you to see which account is set to default. If you have multiple accounts, this will help you identify the one you need to change. The profile photo icon represents your current login, so be sure to check it carefully. From there, click Disconnect Account. This action will prompt you to confirm your choice. Disconnection is an essential step because it removes the current default account from your Google Drive session. You will see a message confirming that you are about to disconnect. This ensures that you won't accidentally log into the wrong account later. It may seem like a small step, but it is vital for a smooth transition to your new default account. Now, click Disconnect again. This confirmation step is necessary to finalize the disconnection of your current account. After this, you will see that the account is no longer connected, and you might be taken back to a login screen. This is reassuring as it confirms that the previous account has been successfully removed. You are now ready to add your preferred account as the new default. Next up, click Sign In and log into the specific account you want as your new default. Enter your email and password for the account you wish to switch to. This step is important because it allows you to access your files and documents from the account you prefer. Once you log in, you will see a prompt notifying you that the account is now active. This confirmation helps you feel secure that you are using the correct account moving forward. After completing these steps, if you have other accounts you wish to access, click your profile icon again. Select Add Another Account and log back into your secondary profiles if preferred. This additional option is great for users who manage multiple Google accounts. It allows seamless switching between accounts without having to go through the disconnect process again. It's a handy feature that saves you time while working on your projects. With that ready, you have successfully changed your default Google Drive account. Remember, managing your accounts efficiently helps keep your files organized. You will now be using the account you selected as your primary for all your Google Drive needs. This small change can make a big difference in how you manage your documents and collaborations. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.